Hi, I'm Isabel.
And I'm James.
Thomas, Elizabeth, and Annabelle here, and I can't believe I'm saying this, but we're 95% done with this beauty, and wait until you see those vaulted ceilings.
Yeah, man, they really paid off. This is our 14th property, and oddly, our 15th property finished before this one, even though we purchased it 4 months later. But thanks to Isabel's hard work, she pushed the team, pushed our contractor, and it's actually going to come up on the market at
About
the same time.
Come, let's check it out.
Let's check it out.
Our famous yellow door, the white house, and the black trim. We're very proud of this one. Come on in. Here we are. Check out this beautiful property. This is the most dramatic change we've had. We went from the ugliest property to one of the most beautiful properties we've ever made.
Absolutely.
Look at this living room area, so spacious. This is the dining room. And right over here, we'll stage the dining room. Check out this chandelier from my favorite lamp store and the kitchen.
The kitchen. So there was originally going to be an island here in the plans, but it took up too much of the living space, so we axed it, and then we just added some extra cabinets and countertop over on the east wall to make up for the lost space.
And
then Isabel has been wanting to do a green backsplash for a really long time, and she finally found the opportunity to do it. And I love it. It's very mid-century modern. A little interesting fact, so the ceiling was too low here to put an upper cabinet. So we decided to just put more open shelves because I love shelves.
I love it. Right over here is a very interesting feature of the house. You go into 2 hallways. This hallway here goes into the old structure. This bedroom was part of the original structure. It's very, very large and spacious and very well lit. And over this way, we have still got a little bit of the old construction, but over that way, everything is new. We accommodated a bathroom here to serve the 2 bedrooms with all these gold fixtures that I absolutely love. And over to this way, we have a very large linen closet, which will be a linen closet with shelves and a nice sliding door. I know James likes that. And the second bedroom this way, part of it is part of the old structure. And then everything over this way leading into the master bedroom, bath, and closet is all new construction. While this way, it leads into the second hallway. James, tell them about the master.
Yeah, absolutely.
Master.
But first, there's this laundry room. Now, I love our laundry room at home, but this one's like twice the size. And laundry is like, we have 3 kids, so laundry is like a huge part of life. If someone's gonna come in here that's just like us, is gonna feel the same thing. And then down here, this is all new construction down here. Here's the master bedroom. We've got a huge, absolutely massive walk-in closet, which I'll fill with shelves and storage and rails and stuff. Here we have the master bath. I love the tile. I love the shower that Isabel made with this beautiful stripe in the floor, and we picked a wallpaper that matches, that complements this shower floor perfectly. But there is a problem with the wallpaper. You can see there's a gap right here. And well, Isabel and I put it in, but on the last strip, we tore it in too many places and messed it up. And then I contacted the company and they're like, oh, we don't make that anymore. And we were like, oh, we're screwed. So Isabel came up with a great idea to put a wall panel here with some gold hooks to match all of the gold accents in here. Now for the master bedroom, we wanted something special. So we put these wall decals up on the wall, these 3D prints, and I think it's so beautiful. Each of these is an individual square that gets glued on, and then you fill in the seams, and we're yet to paint it. We're debating on what color. Isabel's debating on what color. I don't get to pick stuff like that.
And check this out. You can still enjoy this big yard. We've been talking about this, but I just can't get over that. You can get a large extension to the house and still have a very large backyard. And we're planning to plant grass seed, and the kids have been digging with Daddy for the sprinklers.
Yeah, I put them to work.
Right here, we have the ADU. And it turns out to be a quite spacious looking ADU because of this large kitchen. It accommodates everything. It has a lot of counter space, you know, the stove, the fridge, but it just seems so big. And we still have the living area. I'm gonna stage it as a nice desk nook and a nice reading corner. And then you have a bedroom area that is all accommodated in this studio apartment of 360 square feet. Leading into this bathroom, I'm very proud of this exquisite looking tile. I just always experiment in the ADU because that's where, like, you know, it's the ADU, but I bring the new ideas in there and it turns out quite beautiful.
We paved this walking path heading from the master suite down to the ADU and over to the rear kitchen door. The next step is to get our public works permit and our sanitation approved. You can see this drain right here. All of the gutters lead down into these pipes, which head down the side of the property and all the way down to the street. Now, the gutters will also fill up these barrels, and then the overflow will flow into these pipes. And the unfortunate thing is that this takes about 6 weeks from the time those are installed to get the city approval. Why? I don't know. All we do is send them a couple of photos of it, but it takes them 6 weeks to look at them. And Public Works required a 4-foot by 10-foot concrete pad for those drains to lead onto and let the extra stormwater drain into the street. We also had to repair the driveway in the front. Part of it had been destroyed by a container, and the other part just looked like garbage from the previous owner trying to repair it themselves.
Well, it's all jolly good, but...
Well, except we have a major problem. Our loan is about to come to term. We had a 12-month loan, and then there's a balloon payment, which means the entire sum of the loan, hundreds of thousands of dollars, is going to be due in about a month and a half. So I don't know what we're going to do.
Well, we're going to try to sell it really fast.
Yeah.
I put everybody into gear. Now it's ready to be staged. We got to put a new doorknob right over here. So fingers crossed about, what is it, like a week? We can put it on the market.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
In the meantime, check us out at stonefarmenterprises.com and on Instagram and Facebook, and be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube.
And keep your fingers crossed.
Yeah.